Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on a 2017 Subaru STI, and we're going to be replacing the reverse lights. So here we have our T15 on the left and the T10 on the right, and so what we're going to be using is the T15 to put into the reverse lights. And then we're also adding in the T10 to the side markers. Okay, so to start off, you're going to have two clips that you need to take out. So the first one's going to be right here on the side, and the second one is going to be right here on top. And so once you have those clips out, you're just going to fold it back just like this. And as you can see, you'll be able to reach your lights right there on the side. So to take them out, you're just going to turn it to the right side and twist and pull out. And there you have your reverse light halogen. So use a cloth or gloves or something to take it out since they're still good. You don't want them to go bad. And then you're going to put your T15 in there in place. Okay, and once you have it in place, you're going to want to test out the light to see if it works properly before putting it back in. So we're going to light it up for you right now. So as you can see, your light works probably right there, so we're going to put it in place and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so in order to do your side markers, you're going to have to do it when your reverse lights are out as well, since they're angled at an awkward direction, so you won't be able to get it out if you don't take them both out. So we're going to take that out for you right now. It is right there. Yep. So as you can see, that was being blocked by the reverse light before, so we're going to take that out.
Okay, twist it to the left. Came up. That's the side indicator.
That's your side indicator, and we're going to be using the T10 for this bulb.
This one I have. Okay.
So you want to make sure that you put that in as straight as possible. Alright, and you're going to light it up right now to see that it works. And there you go, you can see that it works properly. So we're going to put everything back in place and show you guys how it looks. Go ahead. So we're going to put these lights back in for you. So you're going to have to put in the side indicator first. And you can see it goes in right there.
Okay.
Once you hear it clicks, you'll know that it's locked in place. And now you're going to put in your reverse lights. Okay, so once you have all the bulbs in place, you're going to want to put everything back. So for this cover, you want to make sure that everything is under this rubber area so you keep out all of the water.
Something like this. Like that. All the way
Nice and tight, and then you're going to put the clips back in place, and you're good. And we'll show you guys how it looks now. Okay, and here's the finished product. So as you can see, it's much brighter than the halogen lights were. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.